The iPad Mini 6 just got wireless charging, and let me show you why this is a game changer. To my knowledge, Pitaka may be the first ones to make this happen, and I'm sure as hell here for it. And it's literally changed the way I use my iPad Mini. They've recently released their MagEZ Stand and case that pairs perfectly for wireless charging with the Pita charging pad, offering an enhanced experience. Today, I'm going to take you through the unboxing, specs, and all the ways I use my iPad Mini 6. Let's start with the MagEZ case and charging pad. Unboxing this, you've got the instructions on top, and it's really pretty basic. It shows you how to properly connect your iPad without damaging the USB-C, as well as how to install the Apple Pencil clip. Under that, you've got the case itself, and from the get-go, it looks pretty damn good. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be, actually. And lastly, you've got the wireless charging pad itself. It doesn't look like there's any charging brick though, so keep that in mind. Opening up the MagEZ stand, this looks like it comes in two parts: the wireless charging base and the stand itself. There's also a USB-C cable to hook this up. Setting it up was super simple. With the included Allen key, you align the base to the stand and tighten the pre-installed screws, and the USB cable you plug in and feed through the back cable gap. These two releases do not come bundled together by default, but I highly recommend trying them out both together. Now let's talk specs quickly. The charging pad with the MagEZ case to start is a 20-watt wireless pad. It connects with the pins on the pad to the contacts on the magnetic case and charges flawlessly. The stand is metal with rubber feet and feels really solid in hand. The base of the stand is a 15-watt wireless charger, which is perfect for a smartphone or something like my AirPods. The whole aesthetic is nice. With its carbon fiber look, it looks elegant but not too boring. But jumping into the actual case itself, it's not nearly as thick as I thought it would be, especially with built-in components. The USB-C slot is built right into the case, which is what allows your iPad to connect to the wireless charger. Installation is super easy. The iPad slips right into the case, connecting to USB-C first, and then you just gotta put the rest in. And really, I love the way this looks. As mentioned, the carbon fiber look has an elegant feel to it. It is minimal without just being matte black, and I absolutely love it. The inside of the case is like a soft material, so you really don't need to worry about micro abrasions on your device, especially because the whole case fits perfectly. Now, something I haven't really thought about before is the corners of the case don't actually make contact with the iPad. There's these little air pockets on the inside that prevent the case from hitting the corners of your iPad in the event of a drop or something. Minute details like this actually impress the heck out of me. There's enough of a lip on the front of the iPad as well for when you need to place it face down. You won't really scrape up your screen this way. Likewise, there is a bump on the back end for the cameras. With the cutout for the power button, the Touch ID is unimpeded and all the buttons remain tactile and perfect. Now, this comes with a clip to attach your Apple Pencil if you need to. I can't really say I'll use it much, but it's definitely nice to see this. You'd think having a case on would make the magnet weaker for the pencil, but honestly, it still feels super strong and I'm not really worried my pencil will detach. Installing the clip is simple. You just gotta put the anchor end through the tiny slot and push it into the insert. Easy peasy. Overall, the case is more impressive than I thought it'd be. I dig the X on the backs, which is used for charging, and so far it's been great. The charging pad is basic but no less impressive. I've really grown used to using MagSafe on my iPhones over the last couple years, and bringing this to iPad is absolutely amazing. It's rather compact too, so you can take it with you on the go. Having this is especially good for handheld gaming in portrait or landscape mode. There's no cables in the way and it's great for long sessions. I will say there is no charging brick, so hopefully you will have a Type-C brick handy. And for the stand, it is super sturdy with the same great design. The metal is hefty enough, weighing in at 666 grams, and I'm in love with the wireless pad built into the base. I really hate having so many things at my desk, so being able to consolidate them into one unit is perfect. This does charge at 15 watts, which is plenty enough for me, and when attached to the iPad, the magnets are actually super strong. As well, you don't really need excessive force to remove it from the stand, but you definitely feel like it's secure. There's plenty of range of motion for angles as well when the iPad is docked, and there's a satisfying click on rotation. One thing to be aware of though is you will need a 45-watt Type-C power brick, since this has both a 15-watt base charger and a 20-watt magnetic head. Now when it comes down to using all of this, it really is a pleasure. Since I spend so much time at my desk, having this right next to my monitor, Apple's new universal control has just been so useful. I really like having just one program up on my main screen and being able to pop over to my iPad for anything else. Universal control alone is amazing. The stand has also been great for remote gaming. I am a huge console gamer, and both PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X do have remote gameplay, so it's actually super handy for me having a stand like this when it comes to gaming. All I need to do is connect a controller and I have a mini PS5 next to my monitor, great for the mini gaming breaks. Now, universal control is amazing in and out of itself, but sometimes you do just need an extra display. And with Mac, of course, you can set your iPad as an additional screen if you need to. And something I've been getting more and more into lately is actually handheld gaming on the iPad mini. Having the magnetic charging pad has been super convenient while playing games. Not having to worry about battery or maneuvering around a plugged cable is just one of those things you notice right away. Overall, this great pair of accessory changes the way I approach my iPad mini entirely. I find myself using my iPad mini more than my iPhone these days, and never really worrying about battery has just been one of those perfect things. I would love to see a dock iteration of the stand which HDMI and USB support. That would be incredible. With incredible innovation like this and a design that's on point, this is absolutely one of my favorite product launches of the year. Anyways, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.